Today I am going to show you how to wire up a wire connector. Wire connector has a Molex at the end, different wires here, and if I had, say, this circuit board with various pins, I could just take the wire connector and the Molex and just plug it in like that. So to start off, you take a wire that's already been stripped at the end. As you can see, I just used the wire stripper. And you also need a pair of crimpers like these. Crimpers are somewhat expensive, but I like them. And so you'll notice here there's different settings. The setting represents the gauge of wire you're using. The wire we're using is 24 gauge, so I'm going to use the setting here that's 24 gauge. And then I take what's called a pin or a socket, a really tiny thing, and I stick it in my crimper, and then I close my crimper slowly to line it up, and so now my pin is stuck inside the crimper like that. Then I take my wire, I stick my wire in, really sensitive, and then I just squeeze it. So I squeeze it there, and it opens back up. And now what you have is your little pin on your wire. I could pull it as much as I want, it's not going to come off. And then you take your Molex. I've already started this one, I have two wires sticking in already. And I just, at the very end here, if I could get it in, I just stick it in and push it. And it's in there. And I could pull on as much as I want, it's not going to come off like that. And then I have one more wire that's already been done for me, and I stick it in, push it in real good, there we go, and then I can just take my circuit, as you can see, and I plug it in. And so there you go, you have your tutorial for how to make a wire connector.